Today is my hair care day. Do you all remember? There was a time when we used to believe hair care means applying henna on our hair. I still remember when I was a teenager, my grandmother used to pluck fresh henna leaves and crush it to make a paste, then she used to apply it on my hair for healthy hair growth. But after losing her, life got busy and I stopped using it for all the hassles. But when I got to know about Indus Valley Bioorganic Herbal Henna, thought of using it right away. Because why not? It is organic and ready to apply paste. The paste consistency ensures better absorption of ingredients. It contains 25 plus herbs like bhringaraj, shikakai, etc., which rejuvenate the hair while imparting a superior color. It offers a complete DIY solution without the hassle of mixing. It is a complete hair care which helps with dandruff and hair repair and produces shiny hair texture. I must say, it is a time-trusted healing touch.